In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower your Progressive insurance. If you want to reduce your premium, the first thing to do is go directly to Progressive and review your options carefully. A great place to start is by asking for every discount you may be eligible for. This can include discounts for being a safe driver, having multiple policies, insuring more than one car, being a good student if that applies to you, or even being a homeowner. You should also check for savings tied to paying in full, setting up automatic payments, and choosing paperless billing. These smaller discounts can add up, so it's worth making sure nothing is being missed. Next, consider enrolling in Snapshot. This is Progressive's usage-based insurance program, and it can help lower your premium if you're a safe driver. Since the program looks at your driving habits, it may reward consistent, low-risk behavior with better pricing over time. If you already drive cautiously, this can be an easy way to unlock additional savings. Another option is choosing a higher deductible. In simple terms, that usually lowers your monthly premium, but it also means you'll pay more out of pocket if you ever need to file a claim. So while this can be a smart way to save, make sure the deductible is still an amount you could realistically afford in an emergency. You should also adjust your coverage carefully. Take a close look at any optional coverages and decide whether they still fit your current situation. At the same time, be sure to keep any coverage required by your state and by your lender if your vehicle is financed or leased. The goal here is to avoid paying for protection you no longer need while still staying properly covered. It also helps to drive a vehicle that's inexpensive to insure. Cars with strong safety ratings and lower repair costs often come with lower premiums. On top of that, keeping a clean driving record is one of the best long-term ways to save. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations can help you qualify for better rates over time. Another important factor is mileage. If you drive fewer miles each year, make sure Progressive has your updated annual mileage on file because lower mileage may reduce your premium. Bundling is another strong strategy. If you combine your auto insurance with homeowners or renters insurance, you may qualify for a multi-policy discount. Finally, review your policy regularly. At each renewal, ask Progressive to go over your policy and confirm that you're receiving all available discounts. A quick review can make a real difference and help you keep your insurance costs as low as possible.